Hello everybody, welcome to Storytime with Tracy in a beautiful garden today. Let's do our acknowledgement to country. We say hello land, reach down, touch the ground. We say hello sky, reach up high. We say hello friends, give yourself a hug. Hello me, sorry. Give yourself a hug and hello friends. You wave. Are you waving back at me? Great. Now, we're in the garden. I can't find a box anywhere to do what's in the box, so we'll have to do the story straight away. And I need my glasses, and I've got sort of bluey coloured glasses today. There we go. And the story today is called Little Eggs, Baby Birds. Can you see that? Little Eggs, Baby Birds. It's a special book. It's a fold-out book, so let's see what happens when we open the pages. By Frances Barry. Can you see the bird in the blossom tree in the nest? Okay. Little birds flying by looking for a tree. Do you know why they need a tree? To build a nest in. Time to build a cosy nest and start a family. Father brings them sticks and twigs and finds a place that's steady. Can you see the sticks in its mouth? They need something steady because it's got to hold the nest up. Mother starts to build the nest and soon it will be ready. Oh, this is looking pretty, isn't it? Can you see all the blossoms in the tree? And I can even see a dragonfly. Down here I can see a caterpillar. And up the top, what can you see? A ladybird. Let's see what else we've got. Mother lays 3 speckled eggs. 1, 2, 3. And have we got a bug here? Just there. The tree's getting bigger and bigger. Then she lays another 3. So she laid 3 eggs, then another 3. So now she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs in the nest. I can see another. I think it might be a centipede or a millipede or something. And this bird's got something in its mouth. A worm. They love to eat worms. It's getting so big, will I be able to hold it? Now they're both settled down to warm the eggs in the branches of the tree. What a beautiful nest they've made. I can see another ladybug down here and another dragonfly. Days go by until we see some little cracks. Can you see the cracks in the eggs? I think they're about to open up. Is that better? And some more ladybugs down here. 6 baby birds are hatching out. A bright new spring is here. What a beautiful book. It was so small and now it's really big with lots of bugs. There's another ladybird. So how many baby birds did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder how many bugs we had and caterpillars and things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 bugs in that tree. There's lots of creatures living in that tree, isn't it? And the mother bird and the father bird. They work together to warm those eggs until they hatched. Now I have to close it up. I wonder, is that the right way? Yes. Have to go right round, make it smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and then that's the end. Now, we decided to film here in this beautiful parkland because it has blossom trees, and I think there's one behind me. Can you see the beautiful blossoms on the tree? Now, I've just noticed something hanging in the tree. Can you see here? It's a little bird house. I wonder if there's anything inside. I'll have a little peek through the window. Nothing. Where are the birds? Here's another birdhouse. I'll be very careful. I'm just going to have a little look inside. Do you want to have a look too? I think I can lift up the roof. Nothing inside that one either. Oh no. Where do you think the birds are? I wonder if there's any nests here. Can you see up here? I can see a nest with some little eggs. And if we look further, look, here's another nest. Some birds have been working very hard to make this nest. It's made out of wool and twigs, and it's even got some blue cotton at the back. Can you see? And in it we've got some baby birds and an egg. Oh, and there's another baby bird's fallen out of the nest. Oh dear. We better put that baby bird back in. Now, I wonder where their mums are. Or their mum or dad's. We've got a blue one, an orange, a green, a pink and a yellow. So let's see if we can find some to match them. Oh, can you see one? There's a little blue, well, a big blue bird. That will match the baby bluebird in there. And if we go a bit, oh! Did you see? I nearly missed one. Did you see it? I didn't even see it. Here it is. What colour is this one? Yellow. There's a yellow mother bird and a yellow baby bird. Because I was just going to say I saw, what colour is this one? Green. The green mother bird to match the green baby bird. And what colour have we got left? Pink and orange we need. Can you see any? There it is, the orange one. And we just need a pink one. Look very carefully. Can you see a pink one? There it is. We found all the mothers, or fathers they could be. They're all in the beautiful blossom tree. And if we look very carefully, there's lots of different blossom trees. This one is a new one, so it's only got some little blossoms on there and some leaves. And lots of leaves are growing. So once the blossoms go, the tree has all leaves on it then. And if you look up here, there's another beautiful blossom tree. That one's a peach tree. The one we had the birds in was a crabapple. And we've got some May blossom. And if you look right up the back, I can see another pink blossom tree right up the back. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit far away. And then there's a purple one, which is Eupatoria. It's not a blossom tree, but it's a plant that comes out in flower in spring. Because it's spring now, isn't it? Now, this story time was inspired by Trish and her bird's nest with her beautiful real birds that she had the photo of. So thanks, Trish. Enjoy, everybody. I'm going to walk amongst the blossom trees. Bye. See you next time.